What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here with another Hopium video, right? Giving you guys some crypto Hopium at the moment, these bearish times. Is this a big bear trap, or is this the beginning of the bear market? Some people actually think it's the beginning of the bear market. I'm going to share my thoughts, what I believe. I would say, just straight off looking at the charts, the indicators, the biggest probability is that it's a bear trap, right? That we're coming down to retest this significant level, which, by the way, that huge gap, right, where, you know, Bitcoin has going down to like 72, 73K, that's a big gap. But one thing I will say, it's not guaranteed for us to go to that range level, guys, right? It's not guaranteed. Look, right now, most people think that we're going to that range level. And I'm not saying we're not, but I'm saying the majority of people believe that we are. A lot of them are selling at a loss to buy down lower. And a lot of them are not even buying. They're just waiting, or they're going to buy if we get to the 70s, 60s for Bitcoin. All I'm going to say is it's not guaranteed that we will go down that low, guys. Right? I do believe we will hit that range again. If not this time, the next bear market, obviously, because it is a big level. It's basically the level where Bitcoin topped last cycle, right? 60, 65, 69K. And it's the same level too to where we had the big top back in 2024 where we hit 73K. Bitcoin went down to like 49K. That's a pretty big drop. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people thought the 73K was the top. Remember back then? So that range level we will revisit, and we will stay there for a long time next bear market. I believe the probability is if we do revisit this time, which a lot of people believe we are, I don't believe we're going to be there for like a long time, like next bear market, right? I believe, you know, the worst case scenario, we're in that range for a couple months, and then we start to move up. But I believe if we do hit that range, it's just going to be a big spring up, right? And I think right now, when you look at the charts, if we have a big V-shaped recovery very soon, in the next month or the next couple of weeks, then this is looking exactly like a Wyckoff accumulation, right? If you look at the Wyckoff accumulation, it's, you know, you get these multiple retests at the bottom, which we have, right? The last couple months, we got a bunch of retests to 91, 90K. And then what happens is it finally breaks it. Everyone is super bearish like they are right now, but then it's a spring up. So for this to be the Wyckoff accumulation, what will need to happen is we would have to recover very soon in the price action. Doesn't mean the next day, the next week, but very soon we would have to see a big jump for Bitcoin back over the 90s, and then, you know, with that bullish momentum to 100K plus. So that's the most bullish scenario if we are in the Wyckoff, if we've been in the Wyckoff accumulation phase. But I would say the probability that this is just a big bear trap, even if you go lower, I believe that a big reason too of why everything is going on is because of the tariffs, right? Things the geopolitical aspect and Trump with the tariffs and everything. So when you look at it, it's not crypto fundamentally, right? It's not, that these projects are just turning to crap, right? I mean, then a lot of the good projects have been developing and working, and we've been based on where we are right now in crypto. We've never been more bullish ever with the ETFs and all these things, right? The SEC turning pro crypto, the government turning pro crypto. So we've never been more bullish than ever. The thing is the tariffs with Trump. In my opinion on the tariffs is I just believe Trump is long term, right? He is thinking long term, and everyone is bearish on the tariffs. Everyone hates the tariffs. I'm going to tell you that I don't. I think what Trump is doing is he's turning from the government collecting revenue from us, right? The IRS, Internal Revenue Service. He's turning it to the opposite side, right? The ERS, the External Revenue Service. So in order for him to make this huge change, well, there's going to be some big growing pains. There's going to be tariffs. And he said in a speech very clearly, he said once the tariffs really work and are basically certain, right, that's okay, it's going well, it's going smoothly, he said that very soon after he's going to take out the income tax, and that would be very bullish for the market. So right now we're in this period of where he's testing out the tariffs, he's implementing the tariffs, but we don't have the income tax, or we don't have this other side taken out yet. But he did say that very soon after he will take it out. On top of that, tax-free on crypto. So all these things happening after, you're going to see why tariffs are good, in my opinion. Trump's tariffs are good, right? So he's basically flipping the government making money on us to the government making money on external foreign countries, which is bullish for us here in the United States. So I'm very bullish on that. And that's the thing. Everyone is so short-term, memory. Everyone is, everyone is hitting the tariffs because they're just short-term memory. They're just thinking about right now, and the fact that the market is down, so that means the tariffs are bad, and they're not thinking long-term. They don't understand what Trump is doing long-term, and the fact that he's going to eventually remove the income tax and hopefully tax on crypto as well, and all that is very bullish. So I'm still very bullish with the markets. I think the probability is that this is a big bear trap. Also, the fact that we're going to have quantitative easing. Once you start to, we can't have quantitative easing without a big correction or a big crash like this. I think that the fact that we're crashing is a sign that we're going to have quantitative easing very soon, which is what the government has hinted to. So once you start to see that, and that's the thing, right? The Doge checks. I mean, Trump and Elon are literally working on this. I mean, it's not certain yet, but they've been, public with this, saying that they're looking into it. And if that comes out this year, I mean, that's quantitative easing to the max. I mean, just imagine everyone getting Doge checks. It's gonna be like stimulus checks all over again. And you guys remember what happened after the stimulus checks? Market went boom, right? That's the thing. Quantitative easing, altcoin season. So that's just my opinion, guys. Just wanted to share here with you guys every single day. Thank you guys for watching. Shout out to the OGs that watch. You guys are amazing. Don't forget to like, comment below, and I'll be letting you guys know when my course comes out. I already finished recording. All I have to do now is edit it, and I already edited 30% of it. My only thing is, if you guys understand courses, what's the best, is there a platform that I can launch this course? What I wanted to do is launch it, just send it out, but it's going to be such a big size course. It's going to be like multiple gigabytes. So I want to see what to do. If you guys know anything about that, comment below. But love you guys so much. Don't forget to join the Telegram free community, Cryptopolis. And yeah, don't forget to comment below your opinion as well regarding the market. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.